Hello everyone, this lecture is on sonography of early pregnancy, the 5 to 10 week period. This lecture will be covered under the following headings: early development of the pregnancy, ultrasound milestones of this period, 5 to 10 weeks, the role of beta HCG, and how to assign the gestational age based on the sonographic features, and indications for a scan during this period. The sonographic appearance of the pregnancy between 5 to 10 weeks and abnormal conditions during the period of this window of pregnancy will be dealt with in this lecture. If you would like to listen to this lecture, please log on to sonoshare.in. Thank you.